Hello, YouTube friends and families. We are not only 14 days past, we are 16 days into this project. 16 days into this project. So I've had some experiences, but I would say 90% complete. I have not purchased any furniture, unless you count my new dry bar as the furniture. But like, of course, we bought, and I need to wipe the walls already. I don't know if I did it out of order, if I should have painted last, but I didn't want anybody dripping paint on my cabinets. So I just don't know if I did it the right way, but I got to go do some touch-up paint. But these were ordered off of Amazon. And okay, let's go back. So it took 2 full days to get the cabinets built and put in. However, it took another 2 days to get the crown and the handles on. So here's the deal. The person who built the cabinets was like, I can't do the crown. I just don't feel comfortable. So I hit Thumbtack up. And Thumbtack, it was expensive for 2 hours of coming to put this together. Was $225. And I still, for $225, don't see a full perfection. And I'm going to reach out back out to that vendor. Let me see, can I see that? It's a lot of that going on. And you can't see it from afar, but you can see it close up. And that irks me for that $225 price. And the day he was here, I could not see that. I don't know if it expanded once he left or what happened, but the pink is still coming through. I don't know if the touch-up paint wasn't thick enough. He didn't let the pink dry. What happened? But I'm going to reach out back out, and maybe I'll remember to update y'all on that. But it's up there. But that's going to irk. That's going to irk me. That is really going to irk me. So I just already know I need to reach back out to him. So let me bring it back down. So this done. I ordered a countertop. Now, like I said, pricing, we can discuss. The cabinets was $46.50 with delivery. All in all, installing with other little stuff, other little knickknacks and tallywhacks, was $700-800 I spent basically on just the labor intensity of it all. And then to paint the room was another $275. The room paint was another $100. Like, this is an expensive makeover, but it will be here forever. This is my forever home, and I don't mind investing in my forever home. And this is classic. It will last forever, and it was much needed space, because I am not a declutterer. I am a stuffed person. I have admitted that. I am a prepper. I am a stockpiler. I need places to neatly put my stockpile. So this is why this is part of why this is being done. Also, I need a home. I'm claiming a better job. But even with the job I have, I needed a home office. I need a place where I can be and breathe. Because if you see where I was, because I have to be plugged into the internet for my job. So if you see where I was, you'll be like, oh yeah, that's depressing. Even though when you don't already not too far into what you're doing, and you got to do it in this space. I'm between the garage and the laundry room because I had to plug into the internet. So I had to make a change with that. And like I said, I've been off because of my hand, but I'm going back on Monday. So my little buddy who put the cabinets together, we were here last night, and he crawled in the attic to move the cable line. Because again, I got to be plugged in. Oops, got my finger in the frame. So after 2 holes in the wall, Out the 2 holes in the wall. He worked hard at this. We went to Harbor Freight and we actually bought the little lead line, the fishing line from Harbor Freight, and ended up having to leave it up there because it got stuck. But it was only $10, so that's up there. I don't know if he left my flashlight up there. Oh no, he did take that down. But we were so frustrated by the end of it all because we moved the cable from where I was. So all we had to do was get up there, pull the line up, and bring it over here and drop it back down. But that turned out to be an ordeal. But it got done. So the cable is moved. And I will be in this nice, big, bright space, able to peek out the window and be nosy. And what I do, I'm customer service, so I never get like a break in calls. But if we're in a meeting or something or whatever, that's when I get a little break. So it's like I'll be at the front. I don't have no traffic coming through my house and all that kind of stuff. So it's fine right here. I run this joint here. The whole house is my office, especially when my son's at, and he ain't loud and he know how to conduct himself. So this is where I will be working. It is where I can extra storage. It is the bar. It is the wine bar, the wine rack, the everything room. The party and entertaining supplies, for which I never have, but I'm not getting rid of my Princess House stuff. And if you remember Princess House, you know how the stuff still is good. It still holds a little bit of value because they no longer make it. And I have a few of those pieces that I'm not getting rid of. So I need a place to store the stuff. And I know I sound crazy, but that's how I am sometimes. And when you can, you do. And when you can't, you don't. That's how we do it. So I'm still trying to figure out how to get this stuff off. I've wiped it with a wipe. I'm going to try an eraser and then try, because that should have been done by the person. But we ain't going to say nothing. We just trying to get this over with because I got work Monday and it is Saturday. It is now Saturday. I got to get this room together. I got to load it. I have filled the pantries. So I have 2 more boxes to empty. But pantries, water's at the bottom. Pantries are filled. Water's at the bottom. Still trying to get my life together. But that is the food pantry, and I got 1 more box of food to empty. And I'm going to have an overflow pantry at the end. But everything I have needs to get in here, or I need to purge, which I am purging. I'm going to send a couple of boxes to pick up, please. I'm going to schedule them for this week. But yeah. Like these cups, I used to get them for $1 a sleeve from this place. Now I know, and the world knows you cannot get plastic cups for $1 a sleeve nowhere no more. So when I got them, I got them, and I still got them. So I'm not getting rid of them, and when they need to be used, they are used. And I have not put anything in the drawers yet, but they are nice deep drawers. This is the cabinet hardware that I ordered from Amazon. You order it in a bulk box. So all this cabinet hardware was like $45. And these are the longer ones, but they do have the shorter ones, which is what I used in my kitchen on my other cabinets. And you get this box for like 30 some odd dollars, like $30, $35 for 30 handles. And that is a good price. And as you can see, it's a good design, sleek, classic. You don't have to worry about changing it. And as you can see, this is a soft close set. So all of these drawers and doors are soft close, made of plywood. And I get them from Jack's Bargain Plywood in Jacksonville, Florida, on Edgewood. And they do deliver for $150. It's best to pay for the delivery in this case. These canning supplies actually came from another room, but I do have my canning supplies. And actually, my intentions too, since this room is only going to have 2 chairs, the desk, and maybe some plant work. So let's say plant work, desk, 2 chairs, and a little side table. Okay? This whole empty floor is open. So this is also going to be my canning studio. So when I can over there in the kitchen, I can actually have extra space to, set stuff up over here. And I have my canning supplies, my canning books. Many of you saw some of these were hauled from this one from Amazon, this one from eBay, and the remaining were from Ollie's. And I show you my Ollie's book hauls all the time. I actually have one coming up soon. Then this one, more cookbooks, more water, which I got room for how many more? 3 or 4 more. So I will grab 3 or 4 more 40 cases when I go to Costco, or either some of the 6 gallons. But all the bottoms will be full of water. And this is my overflow because it's still empty. But I have, like 2 more boxes, 1 large box and a medium box to empty. So we will go based on the space we have. But I'm so glad to get everything out, organized, put away. It's a lovely thing. It's such a nice thing to have the space, the storage, the organizing ability. So then, now that I have this space established, I can go back through my kitchen, purge and organize. Like I say, it's hard to purge, but I have been purging a little bit at a time, a couple of boxes at a time. So then we could talk about the flood room. That'll be the next room I do. And it was full of stuff, but it was more like new stuff, clearance stuff, Hobby Lobby stuff, things like that. So I have to make some decisions on those items. Yes, I do. And we'll see how that goes. We'll work through it. And my motivation, so when I get to where I need to be doing something, my motivation, my kickstart, kick in the pants, however you want to call it, is always going to be, let me turn on an episode of Hoarders. Or I'll watch Clean with Me. But mainly, an episode of Hoarders will go and at least make you get rid of 5 things. Just go watch an episode of Hoarders. They on YouTube for free. And that'll get you thinking. Because everybody knows somebody that's a hoarder. I know a couple of them. So that'll get you thinking. I would say I'm 60%. I just got the space to do it in. So it don't look like I'm doing that. But I admit I got a little bit of a problem. So I'm going to work through that when it comes to that room. And I'm already getting rid of some stuff. So I hope you like this. Stay tuned for I guess it'll be more like the final reveal. I'm set up my desk, and I haven't bought the chairs. Maybe I'll do a quick shop with me. I went out shopping, but I ain't have time to film yesterday. Rooms to Go outlets are a good resource, but I didn't see what I wanted. But I'm going back to my favorite, Home Centric. They say they sold my chairs, but I'm going to say they lying, and I'm going to say I'm going to go in there, and I'm going to say they're going to be marked out. And what they do all over this YouTube streets, manifest this. I want those 2 chairs, because they will go so pretty over here. Over here, a couple of pictures on the wall. And some stuff going in my eBay store that I feel like I can get a good little penny for, that's not taking up a whole heap of space. So I am going to put some things in my eBay store. It's TLHG, I think it is, but not for certain. But you can check out eBay. I think it's either the TL or TLHG, something like that. You might find me. And I may be able to link it below. I'll see. But this is where we're at. It took more than 14 days. All plans don't always happen like they should. Some of it's my fault. Some of it's other folks' fault. Some of it, it's all a combination of that. But, it's life, and it'll get done, and it's going to still be on schedule because I will be sitting here Monday morning when I go to work. So, I hope you like this video. Check out the parts 1, 2, 3, 4, however many parts I throw out there of this. It's all coming out like within 2 days of each other after this project is all complete. So, I hope you like this video. Again, prep and pray. And plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I'm preparing my home to just in case we have to be in it again and not be able to leave again. I'm prepping my home in case them stores start looking funny. So follow me. And we gonna have all kinds of different stuff going on this channel and some gardening too. So have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. And I love you to life. Bye-bye.